Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the emoji keyboard on your iPhone, super quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app. Go to General, then tap on Keyboard and then Keyboards. Find the emoji keyboard, swipe left on it and delete it. Now go back to General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone or Reset depending on your iOS version. Choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary, enter your passcode, and confirm reset. Once that's done, head back to Settings, General Keyboards, and tap Add New Keyboard. Search for emoji, select it, and it will be added back. Finally, close any app where you use the keyboard, reopen it, and your emoji keyboard will be completely reset and ready to use. That's it! If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.